Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good night everyone. I will review material about NFS server. My name is Arif Dwi Kuncoro. My number student 203160112. The first material is Introduction to NFS server. Network File System, or NFS, is a distributed file system protocol allowing a user on a client computer to access files over a network similar to local storage. It is widely used for sharing files and directories among users, as well as between server and client. Setting up and managing an NFS server is crucial for efficient file management. What is NFS? NFS architecture. NFS is a client or server system where the server is responsible for storing the file and serving them to client that request the information. Client can access shared file transparently as if they were stored locally. Network File System, NFS, is a protocol that allows a client to access files over a network and interact with them as though they were local. It provides a convenient way to share files across multiple systems. Performance benefit. NFS is known for its fast and efficient file access, making it ideal for scenarios where large volume of data need to be shared across a network with minimal latency. Next benefit of using NFS server. Number 1, scalability. NFS allows for a scalable and flexible file storage solution, enabling easy expansion as the size and the demands of the networks grow. Number 2, reliability. NFS provides reliable file sharing and access control mechanism, ensuring that only authorized users can modify their file and directories. Number 3, centralized storage. NFS server centralizes the storage space, making it easier to manage and backup data efficiently across the network. Next, setting up an NFS server. Number 1, install NFS server. To set up an NFS server, begin by installing the NFS server software on the designed host system. Number 2, configure export. Next, define the directories that will be shared, the IP address of clients that are allowed to access the share, and the level of access permitted. Number 3, start NFS service. Start the necessary NFS service to ensure the service is operational and ready to serve file to client system. Next, configuring NFS export. Number 1, access control. Control which system can access the shared resource and specify the level of access allowed for each system. Number 2, security consideration. Implement security measures to prevent unauthorized access to shared file, ensuring data integrity and confidentiality. Number 3, export options. Customize export options to suit the specific requirement of the network, such as read-only access, root squeezing, and more. Next, mounting NFS server. Number one, mounting process. Client can mount NFS share to access the exported directories and file by adding an entry in the /etc/fs tab for file or using the mount command. Number two, accessing share file. Once mount, the shared file can be accessed and used by the client system as if they were stored locally. Number three, unmounting share. Client can unmount NFS share when they no longer require access to the share resource, freeing up the system resource. Next, managing NFS server. Number one, monitoring activity. Regularly monitor the performance and activity of the NFS server to identify bottleneck, optimize resource usage, and ensure smooth operation. Number two, adding new share as storage requirement evolve and new directory share to the NFS server, configuring access, permission, and exporting settings as required. Number three, user and group management. Manage user and group access permission to share file, ensuring only authorized user can read, write, or execute specific file or directories. And the last, troubleshooting of NFS server issues. Number one common issues is permission denied. Solution: adjust the permissions or access control setting to resolve permission related errors. Common issue number two, network connectivity. Check network configuration and connectivity to ensure proper communication between server and client system. Common issue number three, performance degradation. Optimize server resource, network bandwidth, and client configuration to improve overall performance. Thank you. That's all I can review this material. Thank you everyone. Good night. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.